Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Pakistan, where prosperity, satisfaction, and peace dominate. But on the contrary, poverty, hunger, and death have also a prominent share in the society. Such was the situation when, like refreshing rain on the barren land, some people, endowed with the qualities of perseverance, realized their responsibilities towards the existing social scenario and established an organization which today has extended its helping hand to millions of indigent and unprivileged people. Alamgir Welfare Trust International is an organization which is constantly increasing the domain of its services, out of which health is a vital part, consuming more than 60% of its budget. It includes free of cost dialysis, angiography, angioplasty, open heart surgeries, implants, curing hemophilia, thalassemia, aplastic anemia, tuberculosis, and cancer, funded by your zakat through the application of modern therapies and latest technologies, not only in its own, but the other state-of-the-art hospitals of the country. The funds for these comprehensive care services are generated not only with zakat, but also through the sadaqah and Aqiqah Bakra service of Alamgir Welfare Trust International. This service is run under an exclusive computerized management and high hygienic environment of the organization's very own slaughterhouse, and is provided over a single telephone call and one window operation at the doorstep of your home, factory, or any desired location. Similarly, thousands of overseas Pakistanis are availing this facility over the internet. Millions of kilos of this sadaqah meat are provided to orphanages, hospitals, jails, slums, and on the wedding of destitute orphan girls in the form of cooked food. These orphan girls are helped not merely by food, but are given after thorough investigation inevitable household items at their doorstep to begin a new life with. In these areas, keeping people's self-respect in view and securing their dignity, best quality ration and grocery items are provided to thousands of white-collar families. These poor but dignified people have got dreams of brighter future and quality education for their children. For the transformation of these dreams into reality, at the commencement of the new academic session, Alamgir Welfare Trust International grants these distinct children and youngsters curricular books, important accessories, and on some special occasions bears the expenses for higher education.
وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون.
I created the jinn and humankind only that they might worship me. But our disobedience from divine principles of Almighty results into natural calamities like earthquakes, droughts, and floods. When pain is to be borne, a little courage helps more than knowledge, a little human sympathy more than much courage, and the least tincture of the love of Allah more than all. Hence these natural disasters, be it tsunami or floods enraged in the country, open up an opportunity for some faithful individuals to come forward to earn eternal rewards. Emergency Relief Cell of Alamgir Welfare Trust International joins hand with them and respond immediately with every possible aid for the victims. Ramazan, the holy month of virtues, when every creature is showered with endless blessings and sumptuous bounties of the Almighty Allah. Fasting persons, whether imprisoned in jails or living in orphanages, students of madaris or worshippers in mosques, sufferers in hospitals or dwelling in slums, shoppers in the marketplaces or driving on highways, nicely packed fresh and delicious items in the form of packed iftari is distributed to them. Some parameters of the society are beyond the status symbolism. Hajj is the only religious obligation that cannot be performed without prior training and guidance. Alamgir Welfare Trust International assists all pilgrims regardless of their social status. This process starts right from the submission of Hajj forms to training sessions, includes the sale of ihram, other accessories, guiding books, specially made audio-video cassettes and CDs, and blood grouping facilities. Moreover, several training seminars are arranged in Karachi and Islamabad, in which renowned religious scholars guide the pilgrims regarding the theme and principles of Hajj. This doesn't stop here, but continues till they come home and guide them how to spend rest of their lives after Hajj.
मेरे इल्म में ये बात तो कई साल से आ रही थी कि मुख्तलिफ इदारे जो हजरात हज पर जा रहे होते हैं उनके लिए कुछ तरबियत का, तालीम का बंदोबस्त करते हैं। लेकिन ये बात मेरे इल्म में पहली मरतबा आई है कि हज से फारिग होकर आने वालों के लिए एक लम्हा फिक्रिया भी सामने रखा जाए।
Along with the vital obligation Hajj, the arrangements of an exclusive computerized sacrifice are a vital part of the services of Alamgir Welfare Trust International. This includes the sacrifice of cow or goat, taking care of all the Sharia principles, and is accomplished with the name of the person and is handed over the complete meat. The funds generated by selling the hides of the sacrificial animals is utilized for curing less fortunate people and other welfare activities. Be it an emergency-driven situation or the shifting of patients, well-equipped ambulance fleet of Alamgir Welfare Trust International ensures a prompt supply of medical aid with professional competency. Similarly, the organization arranges wheelchairs, nebulizers, oxygen cylinders, and patients' beds to alleviate people's sufferings. Along with the colors of life, death has got the most prominent shade. Alamgir Welfare Trust shares your grief by offering free funeral services round the clock, including washing bed, coffin, free services of corpse washing, coffin carrier, and burial at Khurshidpura graveyard. Not only this, but keeping densely populated vertical living in view, a mobile dead body washing service is available, which is one of its kind in the world. Though no one lives forever, but his noble deeds remain green. Planted trees, constructed mosques, established hospitals, donated medical equipments for the less fortunate, built orphanages, and installed water coolers serves as progressive virtues for them. Alamgir Welfare Trust provides an excellent platform to spend for your loved deceased. Cash is not the only medium to help the unprivileged and less fortunate people. You can do it by donating used clothes, medicines, furniture, dead stocks from your shops or factories, and electronic equipments including computers and its accessories, etc. All these services are beyond any materialistic parameters and are being provided only by the divine help. May God give us more strength and power to serve the anguished humanity in days to come.